Alright guys, so we are done playing on the rain. It's so cold. It was so fun. Here's your towel. Bunso's towel. Whee! Put the car down. It was so fun on the rain. Alright, I gotta go shower. Hey guys, so we are done playing on the rain and we are here so cold and we're getting so cozy. It was so fun. You know, hey, it was so fun. We have so much fun on the rain. Kuya is getting some snacks and I'm gonna go give me some coffee. And what Bunso wants for snacks?
Huh?
What Bunso wants for snacks?
I don't know.
What are you having, yeah?
Silver.
Oh, wait! It's so cold, but it was so fun. We love the rain.
Achoo. Achoo.
It's thundering and the rain is getting harder. Earlier it stopped, so we stopped playing, and then now it's getting harder again. It was so fun to play with the kids on the rain, just like I did before. I just want them to enjoy the same thing. Kuya thought the rain would be warm. I said no, the rain is going to be so cold. Just like the snow. So anyway, this is our day today. Today is Monday and we're supposed to go see my friends today and the baby again, but Daddy forgot to transfer our car seat in my car, so we didn't have the car seat. So we end up playing on the rain today, but it's so fun. And the kids are having their snack right now. I will dry my hair later and give some TLC. Did you hear that, guys? It's thundering. Did you hear that thunder?
Huh?
Did you hear that thunder?
Yeah. I just don't like thunder, man.
He don't like. Yeah, Kuya don't like thunder. It scares him. It scares him.
Yeah.
Poor Kuya.
It's such a baby, man.
Such a baby.
I'm not a baby. I was just joking about that.
Oh, you were joking?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Kuya knows how to take care of himself nowadays. He know how to put his cereal on the bowl. And can you feed your baby brother? And feed baby brother. That's too big though. Good job. Good job, Kuya. Thank you.
Told me what I have on my cereal.
What did you have on your cereal?
Milk. What happened? I talked with Silver.
Yeah, I said, what's on your cereal? And you said milk. And I said, what else? And you said cereal. Kusi palangga. Oopsie. And we are having our snacks.
What kind of snacks is that, Mom?
Huh? I don't know. I forgot now what Daddy called this thing.
What did I call it?
I don't remember.
Chocolate?
I don't remember. And it's yummy. It's like donuts and then they have chocolate inside.
Yeah. Too hot? Too hot?
Mm-mm. I warm it for 30 seconds. I forgot my coffee.
Huh?
I forgot my coffee. Milk. Thank you.
Oh, you kiss Mom?
Oh no, it's just.
You kiss the chocolate?
Mm-hmm.
Do it again. Say what? Say what?
No.
You did that already?
So cool. Na tayo ma-upload.
Huh?
Na tayo ma-upload sa atong chat.
What happened? What happens to me?
I don't know, I cannot see you on the camera. You're hiding.
What?
Nothing. Look at Monso, he said,
What are you asking about?
Monso is making funny noise.
Like what?
It's raining all day today, right?
Huh?
It's raining all day today since we wake up this morning.
What? What?
Lightning.
What?
The lightning is when you see the lightning, the next one on that is thunder. So it's just like jiggy jiggy jiggy.
Is thunder first?
Lightning. I don't know whichever go first. Like
Oh.
either lightning or thunder and then lightning.
Why?
I don't know. But you know lightning and thunder, right?
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Yeah.
I need some water now.
Your water?
Mhm.
Oh. Mom, how do you spell my name, Mom?
James.
How do you spell your name, Mom?
Alden. How you spell your name?
J-A-N-E.
Yeah.
But how do you spell Daddy's name?
Nick.
What's his name?
Calvin.
And what? How do you spell our name with Mom?
M-O-M.
N-O-N.
Mhm.
How'd you spell that? I play games on the TV.
Can I play games on the TV?
Yeah, you can play with me.
Yes, we can. After playing on the rain now, we're going to play games.
Yeah.